rewind how we started from the back and we ended to the front. Now we got it, and everything reciprocal. I was broke, I was ridiculed. Now I'm straight living, good times for new beginnings. Popping bottles with cuter women. Said a deuce, shorty fiending for some deuce. She just trying to ride this new wave. She just
What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Stevie D with GSG Reviews, and I'm back again with another banger. Let me shout out my Alpha Generals, Generalettes, Alpha Male, and Alpha Females in the building. You heard. Now what I got here for y'all today is a nice timepiece by Jewelryfresh. Yeah, I said it. Jewelryfresh. Like, comment, subscribe. You know what I mean? Without further ado, let's get to the video. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy. Like I said in the intro, what I got here for y'all today is a new timepiece by Jewelryfresh. You know what I mean? Without further ado, let's get into it. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm just gonna say, just before we get started, I'm not impressed with this packaging, man. I'm not impressed with it at all. You feel me? I'm not impressed with this packaging, man. I don't like the packaging. You know what I mean? Jewelryfresh, just gonna throw it out there. You know what I'm saying? The packaging, y'all should just step y'all game up, man, because y'all got some nice pricey watches and some good watches. Y'all should step up y'all packaging game. But no knock to the watch itself. Let's get into it. You feel me? Okay, so boom. This is the packaging the watch comes in the yellow envelope. You know what I mean? You would think for such nice pieces that they sell as far as watches and chains and moissanite and everything that they have, man, the packaging will come a lot better than this, but we gonna go through it. As y'all know, plastic beater, plastic always gonna be the ops, but it is what it is. I'd rather the plastic than the regular envelopes, and as we know, the plastic is for the protection of the piece itself. So bam, this is the timepiece, all black, you feel me? Blacked out. You see the yellow gold or the silver, the yellow, you know what I mean, in between the links. I'm not gonna lie, man, I like this watch. It got 3 different dials in there, as you can see, you feel me, and they're working. You know what I mean? You see those dials in there for the day, you know what I mean, for the hour and things of that nature. Y'all tell me what y'all think about this piece, man. I like it. It's blacked out and iced out everywhere, and if y'all stay to the end of the video, y'all will see a shine test. As you can already see, this thing is shining and gleaming all over the place. Black CZ stones, you know what I mean? And this thing is a beast. You feel me? You heard, you know what I mean? This right here is a nice blacked out timepiece watch from Jewelryfresh. I like the piece. I like the big dial on it, man. The big, you know what I mean? This thing looks like a beast, and it looks like it's for a grown man or a grown woman that wants to look bossy. I want to know from my customers, sorry, followers, you know what I mean, subscribers, what do y'all think about black stones? Because I'm in love with them, man. I don't know what it is about all blacked out stones that make me feel rich, make me feel premium, make me feel elite. You feel me? Let's take a look at the band real quick. As you can see, the band is made of stainless steel, and it doesn't feel cheap. You feel what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It feels pretty heavy in the hands. I'm not gonna lie. I like weight on all my jewelry and watches, because to me, in my personal opinion, weight feels, you know what I'm saying, something like quality. Now, if it was hollow and it felt like a bag of pennies, I'm not feeling it. But this right here feels not bad at all. You feel me? You heard? You know what I mean? Tell me what y'all think about this thing, man. It even got black all over the metal. You know what I'm saying? Black on top of the gold plating and black stones. We probably gonna diamond test these things, man. Although they CZs, you know what I mean? I'll probably diamond test them for entertainment purposes only. Let's look at the back. Nothing on the back, nothing to complain about. You know what I mean? 3 different dials on the watch. You know what I mean? In the bezel, should I say. This big bezel, man, I like it, man. I'm not gonna lie, man. Makes me feel bossly. You know what I mean? At the end, we'll do a shine test and a visual test on the wrist. You know what I mean? You heard? So, I already know what y'all want to know, man. Hey, yo, Stevie D, man. How much is that thing? That thing looks crazy. This beast right here, this nice weighted watch right here, you know what I mean? This right here costs a whopping 85 bucks. So it's not even 100 bucks yet. Although to me, it looks expensive. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this thing. If y'all like this boxy style, this wide boxy style with the big dial or not, y'all let me know. But $85, and they also use the app Sezzle, where you can break your payments into 4 different payments, and after the initial payment, off your product goes. You heard, you know what I mean? $85, all black CZs, color coded black over the gold, you feel me? Stainless steel band. Doesn't say waterproof. If this was water resistant, man, I'm telling you, this would be a beast. If it is, forgive me, but I do not remember seeing that in the description, but I like the piece nevertheless. You know what I mean? Y'all let me know if black stones are your thing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know. Black stones are my thing. Y'all let me know if this will look better in an all white CZs. I believe they have this style in all white, and they do have some good yellow looking stone watches on there. So go check out Jewelryfresh, man. They obviously got, oh sorry, you know what I mean, affordable timepieces. Nothing crazy on there. This is under 100 bucks, and I can't complain. You know what I mean? Y'all go let me know what's up with this. If y'all like it, if y'all don't like it, and let me know what y'all think about it. You feel me? Once again, just a shout out to Jewelryfresh to let them know, man, step up your packaging, man, because for 85 bucks, although it's not bad for its price, you could have given me a box or something presented, you know, to presentate this in a lot more proper, but that's just my opinion. But I like the watch, man, and without further ado, not much more I can say about this thing, man. Wait, we didn't even check out the class. I'm about to commit a sin right now. Let's check out the class. Boom, bam. It's pretty simple, nice and wide. Goes to show you how big the wristband on this thing is. Let's clamp it down. Bam. You know what I mean? So without further ado, 1, 2, 3, I'm out. So what I got for y'all right now is the shine test. Look at those black stones bling, man. Like I said, let me know how y'all feel about black stones. To me, they shine really good, really great. But y'all let me know what your opinions are. What I got for y'all here for y'all right now is the on the wrist look, how it looks on my wrist. Pretty big, but I like big bezels. Y'all let me know what your opinions are. Excuse the red socks, you heard? Pretty dope, right? I like it. Y'all let me know if y'all like it. You feel me? Okay, what I got here for you right now is the diamond test. This is just for entertainment purposes only. They're CZ, so we don't expect them to pass. So 1, 2, 3. Officially, I'm out.